Friends, today is a milestone, March 8, 2026. The Pi network has launched its second mainnet migration, a massive leap for millions worldwide. For years you've tapped that button, believing in a decentralized future. That future is arriving now. This isn't just an update, it's a transformation for the Pi community. The mass mainnet migration means your mined Pi is moving to the live blockchain. Your digital efforts are becoming real assets. Think of it as graduation day for pioneers. Your patience and faith are paying off. The Pi network has grown into a global movement, and the team has worked tirelessly for this moment. Now, the second migration wave is live, moving verified pioneers' balances to mainnet in real time. This is the progress we've all been waiting for. Your Pi is no longer just a number in an app, it's a real digital asset. This unlocks new possibilities for everyone. The Pi network is maturing, shifting from testing to real-world operation. That's why the energy is electric right now. Everyone's talking about Pi because it's a story of community, technology, and a shared vision. This is the moment the community has worked toward. The Pi network is stepping into a new era. Your participation has helped make this possible. The world is watching as Pi takes this giant leap. Celebrate this achievement. You're part of something historic. The future of digital currency is being shaped today. Welcome to the next chapter of Pi. What is Pi Network, and why is everyone excited? Pi Network is a digital currency you can mine on your smartphone. No expensive hardware needed. Launched in December 2021, Pi's mission is to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. Unlike Bitcoin, Pi uses a social trust system called the Federated Byzantine Agreement. Just download the app, create an account, and tap a button every 24 hours to mine Pi. You earn Pi coins and help secure the network. Millions worldwide are now pioneers. Pi's vision is to become the world's most widely used cryptocurrency. Pi is more than a coin. It's a movement. Join the journey. What does mainnet migration mean for you? Pi network started in a test phase. Your mined Pi was like practice money. Mainnet migration moves your Pi to the live blockchain, making it a real usable cryptocurrency. It's like transferring funds from a demo account to a real bank account. Now, you truly own your Pi, secured by your private keys. Migration happens in waves for security. Millions are moving over in batches. This careful rollout ensures safety and stability for everyone. The second mass migration is a sign of Pi's strength and readiness. Once on mainnet, your Pi can be used within the Pi ecosystem. You can transfer it to other migrated users and use it in Pi apps. This migration unlocks real utility. Pi becomes a functional digital currency. The promise of Pi is turning into reality. Welcome to the new era of digital ownership. To join the migration, you must complete KYC, Know Your Customer. KYC verifies you're a real, unique person, usually with a government ID and selfie. This prevents fake accounts and keeps the network fair. Without KYC, your Pi stays in the test environment. KYC is your ticket to mainnet and real ownership. The Pi core team is expanding KYC access, with millions already verified and migrated. More slots are opening all the time. If you haven't completed KYC, stay ready. Check the app for your invitation and have your ID handy. Completing KYC is the bridge between mining and owning real Pi. It's essential for trust, security, and regulatory compliance. KYC protects the community and gives Pi long-term value. Don't delay when your chance comes. This is your moment. The network is growing stronger with every verified pioneer. Be prepared and proactive. Your KYC unlocks your place in the new Pi economy. Secure your future. Verify and migrate. Wondering if you're included in the migration? Open the Pi Network app. It's your hub for all things Pi. Check the mainnet checklist inside the app. This roadmap shows every step you need: Pi browser, Pi wallet, and KYC. Green check marks mean you're ready for migration. If steps are missing, act now, especially on KYC. Invitations go out in batches, so keep checking. Create your Pi wallet and safeguard your passphrase. Once migrated, view your balance in the Pi browser. If you're not eligible yet, complete your checklist and stay alert. The migration is moving fast. Don't get left behind. Take action and secure your spot in Pi's future. The migration is making waves beyond the Pi community. Interest and demand for the Pi token are surging. Recently, over 1.17 million Pi tokens were withdrawn from exchanges in just 24 hours. Large withdrawals signal that holders plan to keep their Pi long-term, a bullish sign. Reduced supply on exchanges often leads to positive price movement. Pi's price recently jumped nearly 3%, trading near key levels. While Pi isn't officially trading on major exchanges yet, IOU versions show growing excitement. Remember, these IOUs are risky and not the real, migrated Pi. The enclosed mainnet phase protects against speculation while the ecosystem grows. Still, the buzz around Pi is real, and the market is watching closely. This migration is a major catalyst for future growth. The world is taking notice of Pi's progress. The excitement is just beginning. This migration is more than technical. It's a giant leap for the Pi community. Millions of pioneers have turned belief into reality. Now Pi is about utilization, not just accumulation. With Mainnet coins, you can send Pi, use dApps, and participate in a real digital economy. Developers are building marketplaces, games, and services on Pi. Every migrated user strengthens the network's security and decentralization. A stronger network attracts more developers and users, creating a cycle of growth. This is the spark for a self-sustaining digital economy. The migration proves what a united community can achieve. Pi started as an idea. Now it's a global movement with a live blockchain. This is a proud moment for every pioneer. The world is watching as Pi redefines digital finance. The journey is just beginning. The migration is underway, but the journey is far from over. Next, the focus is on migrating as many pioneers as possible. KYC will keep rolling out, and the core team is improving the process. The current phase is enclosed mainnet, live but protected. The goal: build real value and utility from within. The next milestone is open mainnet, when Pi connects to other blockchains and exchanges. That's when Pi could be listed on major platforms and traded freely. For now, developers are building apps, and pioneers are encouraged to use and test them. The more useful Pi becomes, the stronger its future value. If you've migrated, explore your wallet and try Pi apps. If not, complete your checklist and prepare for KYC. Every pioneer has a role in building Pi's future. The open mainnet is the next big destination. The work you do now shapes what comes next. Stay engaged. This is just the beginning. The second mainnet migration is live. This is your moment. Years of patience are turning into real opportunity. Open your Pi app and check your mainnet checklist. If KYC isn't done, make it your top priority. Watch for your invitation and act fast. For those who've completed all steps, be patient. Your migration is in progress. Once migrated, explore the Pi ecosystem and learn how your wallet works. You're among the first citizens of a new digital economy. Your participation helps build a strong foundation for the future. Don't just watch, be a part of this transformation. Log in, check your status, and complete your checklist. Ride the wave of progress. Don't miss out. The most exciting chapter of your Pi journey is starting now. Be ready, be active, and help shape the future. The world of Pi is waiting for you.